Hi y'all, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Nelly. So today we're going to be unboxing this. This is a HP laptop. I'm going to put the specification and the picture here for you. We bought it from Amazon by eShop. I talk about eShop and Amazon a lot because that's where I buy my things from. So let's begin. So it came in this box and this is what we have. So we have, let me show you this. This is a wireless mouse. These are some steps to follow if it comes in Windows 10. So let's begin. This is the fun part. So this is the HP laptop we're going to be unboxing today. Ooh. This just fell off. This is how it came. From this box. This is the cable, I guess. This is the cable. I don't like this. So that is that. Guys. Ooh. Dun, da, da. Empty box. This is the setup instruction. Setup instruction, warranty and technical support. This is the main laptop. This is the baby. Okay, let's do this. Move, shift. Well padded. This is what the baby looks like. Ooh. Yeah. So oh my goodness. So it has this rough feel to it. It's like it has some patterns on it. And a rough feel here as well. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to show you a close-up view. But first, let's open this baby. Dun, da, da, da. Ooh, this is too cute. This is just too cute. So this is what it looks like. Oh my goodness. So it's not as smooth. It has this rough feel to it. And wow, this is cutie. Let me know what you think about this laptop. Have you used it? Do you like it? I'm going to put the specifications here because I've actually forgotten. Mommy brain. So this is what it looks like. So this is the mouse, wireless mouse it came with. This is so sleek. This is sleek, I beg. Oh my goodness. This is what it looks like. And you just put just one AA battery here. And you're good to go. Ooh, too sleek. So they have a thank you card in here and their normal card in here. So that's all it is for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and come back for more unboxing, more mommy videos, cleaning, everything about the home, gadgets. Tell me what else you want us to show you or I to show you, because I'm here for you, huh? So thank you so much for watching.